Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests or asks, will Thai O marriage visas be optimal in 2025? Why do I ask this question? Well, it will probably become a much more pressing question, especially for those in the LGBT community, as we see same-sex marriage become legalized in the first month of 2025. It's my understanding that's when we will see that law, that change in the law come into effect. And at that point, I suspect there will be increasing demand for Thai marriage visas as a lot of couples start to get married under the new law. Question is that an optimal visa category? As we discussed in other videos, there's a history of the marriage visa that goes back, and it's not optimal. What are we talking about? Some 8 years ago, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, somewhere in there, I made a video, a couple of them on this, where there were Indian nationals that had somehow found a corrupt official and were basically engaging in sham marriages in order to get Thai O visas, Thai O marriage visas. The result of that, the upshot, if you will, was one, a great big scandal associated with corruption, but also heightened scrutiny associated with marriage visa applications. And as a result of this, quite honestly, it makes the marriage visa itself a little less than perfectly optimal because the scrutiny can be such that people don't want to put up with the hassle. Sometimes you end up in these applications for extension where they want to see multiple trips coming back and forth to the immigration office to see new documentation associated with the extension. Quite honestly, for some people it can be a hassle. Sometimes it's more optimal under those circumstances to be in an O retirement visa or to be in some other type of visa category like a B visa or even now destination Thailand visas, long-term residence visas, whatever. There may be other options. Again, I have a lot of clients that have O marriage visas and they're perfectly satisfied with them, but there is a little bit of extra scrutiny associated with ascertaining whether or not the underlying marriage is in fact genuine.